Hey man, you know where you watch?
Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright. Big up, you see. Alright, now my people, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and I find this video to be somewhat interesting. At one point, this video had me somewhat scratching my head. You see, now the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a man handcuffed to a type of railing. And based on some things that the man said in the video, I got the understanding that the man claimed that he is a police. Viewers and subscribers, I said that the man claimed that he is a police. I did not say that. Alright? And I think it is more than obvious that the man had been handcuffed to that type of railing for at least one reason. I also think it would be best for you, my viewers and subscribers, to look and listen to this video for yourself and try to get an understanding as to why the man had been handcuffed to that type of railing. Please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Commissioner, go and get it. Keep it up.
Listening.
Keep it up. Keep it up.
It's my birthday.
Keep it up.
The police, the detective car come to take somebody on the pass. Eh? Listen. Pedua. Pedua.
Yeah, here?
Eh? Ashim Sawa. What we do? Ask someone to do the king. So we do. But everybody accused me of doing something. I mean, I know what we do I know. What we do? There's a plan of this thing and that. And there's nobody here to defend me. Or protect me. I don't defend them. Okay, my own. The other. I come here in the man. If you have minister, police staff, and I'm not doing nothing again. I'm going to do register myself in the Gambia people today. I'm going to do about 2% now again. I launch me pick up and now. We live on the beach, you know. We don't do nobody, not going to pick on the gun to nobody in that.
Yes, make a follow.
We don't do nothing like that in the land. I want to do the man. Yeah, you know. That's my brother and me, man. We don't do nothing better. We don't do nothing to nobody, man. Only when we are 52-year-old. Only when we are caught for 2003, you know, man. All the people come to me, boy. When you want to lock the book, lock them up, one of the bad one. Yo, king, man. I'm complaining to the man. Police!
And your behavior make you can't pull. Your behavior.
What is my behavior? I want to carry me in as a brother. I want to carry me in as a man. You better than stand around, man. That's the guy kick out some other.
What?
I think some afraid of him. I'm not going to have to deal with him now. I think I'm afraid of him. I'm not afraid of him. I want to walk killing him.
Yes, look.
Yo, I'm not clear people, I'm in them ice now. Ice me, you know. I'm never going to do this now. Come to the shoot. Yeah, this now. Yo, bro, I'm not going to take off this off from me, man.
Wow.
I want to know, brother. What do you say? The bitch, we're going to never burn me, you know. But if I have to do that on my birthday. I want to know, brother, man.
People.
When I was cross, when I was crossing people that might give me champagne or rum and anything out here. Come here, man. Yes, I like to be telling you, I'll drink down the prayer. I'm a birthday today, man. And it's I'll come and tell you about. I think I'm afraid of people. Let me tell you something. I joined this work from 1990, man. Me not train and now. Lock me up to the gunshot.
So you know, no respect.
Just do my shit. Let me fear. What's going on? What man kind of thing, man? Officer. But I like this man, release this from me, you know. And you say, if not release it. Oh. As soon up, as soon, you know. I'm a liar, you know. I'm a liar, as soon, you know. I'm a record from the phone, you know. Oh. I'm a liar, as soon, you know, for this, you know. Me need one of the take off this handcuff off of my hand. When we don't deserve, because we don't do nobody nothing. You have a one for 10 days because I feel like say, oh, me and my career and my life and me have it. I want to look at there, man. I 32 years me a police, no man. I want to look at there, man. To the from my birthday, you have to handcuff. Yeah, me don't do something, man. Yeah, man. You have to take me fit with you, man. Today, on my birthday, I've been a handcuffed on my sentence there for nothing. You don't want to like to deal with proper.
I want to take it off, but we can't get it off because you see, they just make that and move up. Call the police and say, me say you take it.
No.
Yo, me not nobody nothing in a brother. There's nobody here to tell us something about nothing in a man.
Martin,
More than some security guard, you know.
try to say if you can
You
take it.
don't take me out of this, no man.
But the bottom one, the one with
I don't think police carry down the... Calm down. After me not fear people, that me I tell you. As Spanish town me born and growing up.
What?
Look at me a country, man. I want to see you. Look at me. I come from country. When you take this and take over, lock me up to
Let's see what.
oh, you pass the exam at there. That's why you pick up and I'm going now. So you confirm to us police, like you put them down on the office.
Thank God, no, it's not you.
Just take off this off from me and look at that.
Take off, that's a good space.
You know what I'm saying? That happened. You know when we do the dance.
So you say,
Now, my people, me I wonder quite a number of things when it comes down to that situation there. Me I wonder if that situation can get that person in any form of trouble. Because the man claimed that he's a police. So if the things that he said are actually true, viewers and subscribers, then me I wonder if that situation can get him into some form of trouble. And did you hear where the person saying book? You hear where he said, listen, let me play back this piece of the video for you. Don't take it from me. Listen to the video for yourself where he said about book. Or booking. Listen. You hear? You hear the words when used that also include the word kill? My people, quite a number of things me I think about when me look and listen to that video there. See? Obviously, police involved in the whole of that situation there. Based on where you can see and hear in the video. You see me I say, my people? Now, my people, if the things that the person said are actually true, when it comes on to him claiming that he's a police, tell me what you think. My people, do you think that situation is embarrassing? Eh? Based on some things that the person said, plus what happened, do you think the situation is embarrassing? Tell me in the comment section, my people. Can I ever tell you the truth? And I real, me just wonder certain things. And yes, me feel somewhat away about certain things that me hear in the video and some part of the situation. But me just think right about now. Come here and say to myself, say, John, what really happened? See? Who handcuffed him to that the railing there? How that person end up there, so? And one thing with me, you know, so I see certain videos on social media, my people, me is the kind of person I start think if the video is a publicity stunt, or if it's a publicity stunt, and a real, the more I watch the video, is the more I start to say to myself, say, no man, how this happen? Why this happen? How this happen? How this? Me I tell you, my people. Anyways, there's not much more I can say about that situation that I can see in that video, my people, but one thing for sure, that look away. And would I really and truly like to hear theme side of the story totally when it comes down to that situation there. Yeah, would I like to hear theme side of the story? Yeah man, would I like to hear theme side of the story. Yeah, so I'm going to leave it still, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.